Hello, so let's have a look at this small circuit as shown. What we see here is an NPN bipolar junction transistor, that is BJT, is shown. As we know, it has three terminals or pins called as collector, emitter and the base. We know that this is an NPN transistor because the arrow on the emitter side of it indicates the direction of the conventional current that flows from collector to the emitter through this transistor. Now we see here the base of this transistor is connected to the ground. Input signal Vin is connected or applied to the emitter, and output is taken from the collector. So we can say that the input is applied to the emitter with respect to base, so the input is called as VEB, that is the junction across which the emitter is connected, and the output is taken from the collector with respect to base, so the output can be said as VCB. So here the base is seen to be common between an input and an output, that is between emitter and the collector, base is common. So such circuit configuration is called as common base configuration of the transistor. Remember, you can also use PNP transistor to bias it in the common base mode, and as usual resistor R is connected from collector to the supply voltage. So exercise for you now is to draw the PNP circuit in the common base mode.